prevent such...
Well, he said he directed Secretary Duque to do something about it. And Secretary Duque said, we're already doing something about it. So we're conducting a massive immunization plus information campaign that it's better to prevent than to cure.
Kasi sir, dun sa mga previous speeches ni President Duterte, he directly pointed at the Dengvaxia controversy as the reason kung bakit maraming mga magulang natatakot na ipabakuna yung kanilang mga anak. Wala po ba siyang anything na nasabi tungkol doon sa Dengvaxia controversy? Did he talk about the people behind?
No, because if you remember, the House, di ba, recommended filing charges against certain people. And we said that we will defer to the findings of Congress and let the law take its course. The DOJ will be conducting an investigation to determine probable cause.
Pero sir, I think that's different kasi several doctors group are pointing directly at those individuals kasi kung hindi daw po sila, kung hindi nila siguro ginamit yung issue, hindi sila nag-ingay tungkol dun sa issue, marami pa rin mga magulang ang magtitiwala at ipapabakunahan pa rin yung kanilang mga anak at hindi mangyayari itong measles outbreak na ito.
Well, we didn't discuss that particular point or nobody raised that issue.
You talked about President Duterte ordering a vigorous campaign for vaccination. Ano po yung ano yung mga directives niya on that kay Secretary Duque, sir?
Well, he said that the Department of Health should do something about the outbreak. And Secretary Duque said we're already doing something about it.
Hindi po ba siya, sir, nagalit or nadismaya dun sa nangyari?
Kung nagalit man,
Na nagkaroon ng measles outbreak.
dati na siyang galit kahapon dahil nga sa frustration niya sa mga requirements na kung ano-ano na parang he felt, in fact, he excused himself. He excused himself because parang siguro pahinga muna ng content dun sa holding room.
Pero on public health, sir, wala siyang...
And then, he directed the Department of Health to do something about it. Kailangan solusyonan natin yung outbreak.
Will that also include President Duterte campaigning himself for vaccination, yung to convince parents to vaccinate their children? Kasi may nabanggit po siya dun sa dati niyang speech sa Malabon na directly in-encourage na kinausap niya yung mga magulang na pabakunahan yung kanilang mga anak. Will he also be include?
Hindi ba yung mga adults na bakunahan na ng measles? Kami, nabukunahan na kami lahat. Yung mga bata na lang ang hindi pa.
Sa kampanya, so we're talking about yung kampanya ng gobyerno para sa pagpabakuna. Will he also be including himself? O tutulong po ba din siya doon?
Definitely. In fact, siya nga nag-order ng nagawa ng paraan yung problema ng